Everyone. Once you go into the link which is mentioned in your WhatsApp group or channel, you will come to the notice that there will be a three option come to your front, in which if you are going for the registration, then this is for you. If you are looking for login page, then click here and directly mention your email, register email address which you have already provided to the NBMS. Then it will send your OTP to register email address as well as register mobile number. Whatever the OTP, please mention it and you will come to the directly login page. Now it's completely the tutorial is meant for the registration. Then once you click on registration, then you will come to the next page. But before doing the registration, I will suggest you to see the guideline. When you click on the guideline, then PDF will pop up, and this PDF is consist of guideline, complete guideline, that what is course, how, for whom it's meant, and everything you want to know. Now come to the registration part. When you click on the registration, then the next window is open is this. In that you have to select your participation category. When you just click on the participation category, there will be pop up with the three category: NBE trainee, alumni, faculty of NBE accredited hospital, and as mentioned other professional. So it goes as simple as it written. The NBE trainee and alumni who those are already gone through their residency, PG residency under the NBE, like DNB or DNP diploma. They or those who are currently under process of getting the DNB seats, they have to choose first option. But those who are already faculty, then please choose your option. And those who are currently a postgraduate, or they are not having NB degree, or those who are pursuing non-NB post graduation, or those who are just the UG guys, then like MBBS, then they have to choose the other professional. So most of us have to choose the other professional, but those who are already NB trainee or faculty, please choose your option wisely, because in that you have to mention your registration number, or for the faculty your register mobile number with NBMS. So once you choose the other professional option, in that you will see the pop-up window like this. In that professional registration, in that you have to mention your full name, mobile number, email address. Please mind it, as I have said earlier, that email address is the main communication portal with NBE in future for every certification to everything. So please mention your email address wisely. Don't mention any temporary or email address, because it might be bad for you in future. Then please mention your highest qualification. Don't mention like every MBBS, postgraduate, super specialization and everything. Please mention whatever highest qualification you are currently having. Don't mention if you are currently pursuing any degree. Mention currently having degree only. That's minimum requirement. And the minimum requirement is graduation. So please mention your MBBS, whatever is. If you are not currently a MBBS student, then please avoid it, because you have to ask to upload your document in that GMC or SMC, means State Medical Council, or the if you are FMG student, then National Medical Commission provided registration certificate will be required. So it will be don't beneficial for those who are currently undergraduate and don't have any degree in hand. Once you go to that, please you have to pop second pop-up to fill in that medical or the allied professional. If you are all MBBS or any further course, then please choose medical. If you are the paramedics, then these course might be helpful to you, and in that you have to choose your field of profession as a allied subjects. Once you go to, there is no limit, like this is for currently training student or postgraduate who have completed postgraduate, as mentioned I have mentioned ago. But so if you are currently working in the any institution or organization as a full-time job, or you are just doing residency in whatever your institute, it might be NB. If it is DNB, then you're completely other option you have to choose. But if you are all in the PG with non-NB, which is select above here, then in that you have to please correctly mention your current institute name. Once you completely mention your institute name, select your role. Means what is your currently role in the organization. Means you are currently working profession or student or trainee. There will be two options will be given to you, like student or trainee, or you are currently working. So if you are currently pursuing any degree, then mention it as student or trainee in that organization. But if you are not working as a trainee, you are doing a full-time job, then please once again we are telling you, mention as working profession. There is no boundaries and limit that it is limited to trainee only, so you can mention as working professional. So once you completed it, then there will be a current designation. What is your current designation? Mention it that correctly. Once you completed, there will be, we are just mentioning demo as we are just demonstration to you. Please fill correct option below it. Once you completed your details, there will be a option for the OTP. Then just send the OTP. When you send to OTP, your register email will get the OTP from the NBMS with your register mobile, which is more commonly same the OTP number. Then mention it here and then submit the details. Once you submit the details, the next pop-up will be look like this, or the next web page is open like this. In that your registration is success, means yeah, there is no problem, they approve your all details. Now please note it that because it is still a participation certificate, but it is from the NB though, so they are not taking unauthorized or those who are not working completely at MBBS or any postgraduate. So they are required to upload your photograph, which is maybe mentioned in your certificate. So kindly mention your photograph which is decent in the manner. There is no foundation for photograph to for white background or black, yeah, pink background, but it might be a professional look. Then there will be a second document upload, which is already we mentioned that NMC or the SMC, whatever is applicable to you. As per your applicability, please registration certificate has to upload. But how to upload, as it is an NBE portal, then it currently also having a glitch. So when you go to the come to this portal uh, directly from the registration, then there will be option to go to the back to the dashboard. When you back to the dashboard, then there will be option showing upload document, but it will be not working. So you what you have to done, you just go to the logout page, click on it. Once you log out, then come to the that our home page which was shown to you earlier. Here you go to the login page. Once you log in, then into the login page, give your register email ID, generate OTP, say, mention OTP. When you now you come submit the OTP and come to the login page. Now you can upload your document easily. So click on the upload document. Once you complete click on the upload document, please mention it. Please see it carefully. As mentioned here, that upload document require the passport size photograph, which has a clear photo, as mentioned, which is meant to be a professional photo, not a photo on the beach or anything. So click choose the file. In that, please carefully see that it has to compress. If you are photo size is more than 200 KB, please compress it via any online or offline tool, whatever you have. Then second option is for NMC or SMC registration number. In that, please kindly mention your number and carefully mention whatever is your number. If NMC is giving directly registration number, then mention the registration number. And some state are providing their initial like E, F, G, whatever. Then mention G and whatever your registration number or whatever it is. Kindly don't blank space or everything add if it is not mentioned in your SMC registration number. Once you complete it, then select the medical council, whatever it might be applicable to you. Please see here, when you completed your details, it is uploaded in the PDF, not in the JPG, which was in the earlier photo size, passport size, as passport photo size. So you have to, if you are already scanned, then convert to the PDF, which may which will be less than 1 MB only, which size not more than 1 MB. Then choose the file, upload your document. Once you complete your uploading, then there will be a next option seen below it, that it is a program going to Guinness World of Records. If you are willing to authorize that NB to, you can share my documents to Guinness World Record for that verification purpose, that these program applicants are only medical graduate or then onward. Then you can give your consent. If you are not willing to give your document to the Guinness World Record, then you can easily choose I don't give my consent. They'll, as far as they mention in consent sharing policy, that your certification or completion, course completion certification will not hamper by this consent. Yes, NBE will take your documents for their verification, but if you give your consent, then only they will share your document with Guinness World Record, otherwise they will not. So here your consent process and if whatever you want to choose, you can choose, and then upload document and submit the consent. Once you completed your registration and completed, now you the mail will be come to you on your register mail that your registration process is completed. And now onward, whenever the new lecture will come to you, the register mail and email as well as a message will be sent to you at your respective register numbers. So that's it. If you have still any query, we will help you, whatever it means, on the WhatsApp channel or other communication medium.